Knew right away when I got here that this was, it was almost like I was destined to be here. I've never experienced it ever in my whole life of surfing, the feeling and the newfound respect for what I've seen out there. It's kind of hard to believe that something like that could be created on the earth. The first time I pulled in out there, it takes everything in you to muster up the courage to do it. And that wave, like, it just demands a focus on just what's happening right then in that moment. Yeah, it's changed my life, that wave. The thing with this wave is so different than a lot of the other slabs that you see around the world. Is she can be so beautiful. And then the next wave will be the most violent, ugly, gnarly, something you don't want any part of. Some of them come over the reef and they're death. Navigating that thing is so difficult. It comes out open ocean and you think you need to do this, but it's exactly the opposite. You think you need to draw a line like you normally would when you pull in a barrel, but if you do that line, you're gonna get pitched. Yeah, it's definitely, I definitely would say it's up there with the top few waves in the world that are like that. I'm very calculated in my risk. I mean, I got a wife and 2 children, but when I'm down super deep and I'm getting beat, you know, in a bad wipeout, I have a peace right now, I just do. I have a peace and I know I'm coming up. Most times when I come out of the water, I let out warrior cries. There's not too many places in my life where I'm put somewhere where I know I was, like, my life was tested, and I just came out of that test.